Hi everyone, it's Kazuki. It's been a while. Today I want to share something with you, and I'm going to speak English in this video. To cut to the chase, I want to share a video that I recorded about 5 years ago. In this video, I was practicing a skit to start this channel.
What did you think about her? I'm pretty sure you guys suit each other. Oh, where's she from again? She's from Tokyo. That tall girl. No, she was short. Really? Blonde hair? No, her hair was jet black. I'm sorry. My name's Kevin. Kevin, don't forget my name.
Horrible. When I took this video, it had been 6 months or something since I came to Canada. I had already graduated from a language school and even started working at a cafe. But this was my real English level back then, and my terrible acting. English wasn't easy as I had expected, unfortunately. Some of you might think it's not that bad. Well, I was studying really hard at the time, of course, but I'm not gonna lie. I thought my English would have been much better by then. However, I decided to share what I'd learned as an English account to force myself to keep improving. I know I'm crazy. Every time I check the videos while editing, I'll be like, no way. Is my English really this shitty? I don't speak like that. And I felt so freaking frustrated and even pathetic all the time. But all I could do was face reality, believe in myself, and keep studying. Thanks to my past self, I'm now able to proudly speak English. I low-key practice a little bit for this video though. And I'm so happy that a lot of people enjoy my videos. Now, when I make an embarrassing mistake, I even feel like, yes, because I can turn it into content, you know? Anyway, what I want to tell you in this video is, this might sound kind of cheesy, but let me keep it simple. Believe in yourself, be proud of what you're doing, and just keep going. Everyone worries about whether their efforts will pay off. I totally understand because I was like that too. But now I can confidently say there's no point in hesitating to keep going. Because you never know until you try, right? There's always a view that only those who keep running can see. I'll keep sharing my English journey through this channel so that you can see for yourself that your efforts, whether it's studying English or anything else, will pay off as long as you never give up. I'll prove that if you can speak English, your life can become so much more fun. You've got this, okay? Well, that's a wrap. Please feel free to share your goals and what you want to achieve in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. It really motivates me. See you in the next video. Peace.